This is how I made my dock for my iPod. I used a fanny pack with speakers in it, an iPhone car dock, and 1x4 boards 1 foot long. I drilled holes the size of my speakers and cut slits below. Cut off the stem from the back of the car dock, drilled a hole through the center of it, and attached it with a screw. Slipped on the car dock, made sure it fits. I attached the other 1 foot board with screws. Because my wood's soft, I don't have to pre-drill. Then I'm done. You can play music through it, watch movies, or use it for a steering wheel with great sound while playing games.